Hey, here we are with another little update on what's going on. We're on the outside fuel dock putting it in. Ran out of 30-foot poles. We're kind of waiting on them to show up hopefully next week and get some more poles over here so we can start getting them installed for the T-dock. You can see we've got all the front poles installed. They're all 15 foot in the ground, and we got 35s going on the back side. But what we decided to do is start working on the wave brake. We got the wave brake going in now, and it's all piling. So we've wrapped them all with filter cloth and wrapped them with piling wrap and getting them all bolted up with type 316 stainless steel. But some of y'all have asked about the overall design of the project, so I went ahead and shot a little picture here of the project we're doing. All the colors on the drawing is wave brake area. We've got at least 1,200 foot of wave brake going in here. Check it out. Let me know what you think of the video. Here's the design that we're working with on the marina. The top dock is a mooring dock that goes out 409 feet. The pink one in the middle is the one that I'm working on right now with the wave brakes on it. And then the one on the bottom of the page is just the loading and unloading area for the dry storage area. There he is again. Galia, you want to get that drum? That big old thing. Holy cow. Black drum. Yeah, what's that? Big old, see that?
Comes with an 8 amp hour battery.
Galia. Chief, y'all going for a ride? Chief. Hey, got treats. Got you some more pizza. It's a new boat. They're doing a video of it. All right. determination from the company if that's the elevation they want to go with, or go down a little bit deeper. The second one is just built but not been sunk yet. We're getting ready to start working on that. We've got another one laying here on the barge. Go ahead and get that put together and get that sunk down in front of it and try to get it all bolted up to the frame. And they are all over the place out here. About 6 of them. Got some decent waves coming in here now. I don't see anything moving. Feels pretty steady. That's what it looks like on the backside.
Those aren't big waves, but still.
You see no waves on the backside of the wave break, bro. There weren't very big waves though.
Maybe once we get that in secure, that might help.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Getting all our bolts installed on a wave break now, down at the very last one. Getting it all bolted up. We're going to try it out. Hopefully get some big waves through here today, and we'll see how the thing works out. So far, everything looks good.
It's our 12. The end of them blocks right there. That looks cool.
We got a little bit of the waves coming in. That boat really didn't put out too much of a wake, but we get a shot of what it looks like. How the waves hitting a wave break. How the wave break actually reacts to our waves. And then behind it, you can kind of look and see that it's nice and calm on the backside of it. And that's exactly what we're looking for. The dock's not moving at all, which is good because that's a lot of force as waves pounding against that thing. Yeah, minimal waves. Yeah, got some around there. Well, that's coming around. Waves are coming around the backside here.
Like point over there, and then point right there, and see how they got that right there. How they
There you go. We got a little bit more waves coming in now. Look at that. And on that, the other walkway behind this walkway, we're doing a wave break all the way down the side of that. It's 150 foot, so that'll block it from actually getting into the boat basin where the boats are going to be moored up at. It does a good job. It doesn't send the waves back out. It actually dissipates the waves. See how it just, yeah, it just rolls them on down. It's good. Guys, Friday around lunchtime, we're going to go ahead and knock off a little bit early today, give these guys a long weekend. I have got a lot of the wave break in here, as you can see. It looks like we got another big boat coming through, so we'll test that out, see how it looks. I don't know if I got the camera yet. There it is right there. We're going to test it out with the big wake that's coming through with him. Appreciate you guys watching the channel. Talked to Jake from Everlast, and he's mentioned a lot of marine contractors that he visits with and supplies vinyl to. Has talked about watching my channel in their showroom. I appreciate that. I think one's Colin from Virginia Beach, Virginia. I actually grew up in Pungo as a little kid, so you might know where that is. It was a farming community at the town in the time, and I lived in the middle of a bunch of fields, and I've heard it's not that way anymore. But thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys giving me all the feedback you do. So where are we headed to, Chief? Huh? Where you want to go? Go get a hamburger? We'll go get a treat? Go get a treat from Whataburger? Oh, Chief. One of Gatlin's favorite games. Kick the pine cone. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, Chief. Jealous? There's Ranger. He's our yard dog. He keeps everything protected out here. He's 7 years old. And there's Scout right there. He's 5. That's Chief's brother. Hey, Scout. Good boy.